Hey, it's Frank here with 4D Honeybee, and I've got some exciting news. I found my hat! No, that's not the exciting. Well, it is kind of exciting for me anyway. Makes me feel like a beekeeper again. I found my hat, but I've got some even more exciting news than that. My bees are ready to be picked up. So I wasn't expecting to have my first nuke ready for pickup until late in May. So it's May 14th now, so that would have been another 2.5 weeks. And sure enough, I got the call saying that I can pick them up either Thursday or Friday, and at least the first nuke, 4-frame nuke. So I got to decide which one to take. So this is what I've done here. Let's see. Okay, so the choice is either Thursday between 6 and 8 p.m. or Friday between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. And I don't want to take the Thursday 6 p.m. option for a couple of reasons. One, if you were to pick up hives right now at 6 p.m., a lot of the foragers would still be out and about, and you wouldn't get all the bees in that hive. So, plus, it would take me 45 minutes, at least an hour, to get them all rounded up and get home, and then I'd be setting up the hives more or less in the dark. And so I think the better option is to pick them up at 9 a.m. on Friday, because that way, if they're preparing those nukes, they probably would have prepared them the night before and seal them up once all the bees are back in, and leave them sealed until you pick them up. So if you pick it up sealed, there's a good chance you've got 100% of the bees there. You wouldn't lose any foragers. And that way, if I can pick them up right at 9, I can open up the nuke box once I get it back in its forever home there, right beside the hive. And I usually like to open them and let them kind of forage around for a little while before I transfer them to the real hive. So I think that's what it's going to be. I think I'm going to put in the request to pick them up for Friday at 9 o'clock. And then obviously I'll take you along for the ride, and I'll post another video of setting them up, and hopefully I'll do better than I did the last time. Last time I set up a nuke, the queen jumped right off the frame and disappeared, never to be seen again. So I'm going to take some precautions against that this time. I've learned a lesson. Hopefully I can help you and teach a lesson or two as well. And join me on my ever-growing ride to keep bees. And keep bees again. So that's it. I'll do the next video when I probably go to pick up the bees. I was going to do a video on swarm preparation, what I'm planning for this year, but I still got stuff to do. I got to drill holes in the top boxes of the 2 boxes I've got out in the field, and I've got to prepare food for the bees. We've got to feed those bees as soon as you put them in their hive. So maybe I'll do a quick video on that. That'll probably be tomorrow, and then the day after, or the day after that, Friday, so a few days from now, I'll take you along for the ride to pick up the bees. So thanks for joining me, and thanks for coming along for the ride with 4D Honeybee.